What is this saying? Welcome to live chat. Something, it went away. But we're out here. I told you we'd do it, and we're out here doing it. So let's do it. I'm gonna give it about, I'd say about 15 minutes, maybe less, to see if we get any new people in here, get any people that were waiting to watch in here, and yeah, we'll get it going. We will get it rolling and going. You can see my very expensive sign that I bought that is backwards because of the view, but I'm not going to draw that backwards, so. Yep. The two cars you see on the left here, bada boom, bada bing, those are cars that have already been won, but these cars here, bada boom, bada bing, are still available. Watch. If you pick out the car that wins, or if you have already picked out a car and that car wins, you win the car. Yeah. Give it a moment. Give it some time. I posted in the description that it would start from 6:50 to 7, so you've got a. I can't believe my son. It's like petting a dog. I can move that down a little bit. But you want to talk about firm? Firm. There's a little, I think that's from a crack in my screen is why that does that. Yeah, that's what that's from. I'm sorry about that, y'all. That's annoying. That is mildly annoying there. And I do apologize. Cancel. Almost ended the live stream. It's kind of cool. Yeah. Let's give it some time. I don't think I can play any music. So. I just hit the John Cena song. It did its job. It did its job. I'm proud of it. I wonder if I need to go into the description and see if I need to change what it says. Cancel, cancel.